NexTech AR launches Metaverse Builder app, ARitize Maps. So on April 20th, the Canadian-based Metaverse and augmented reality company NexTech announced the public launch of its Metaverse app, ARitize Maps. And what this app essentially is an all-in-one Metaverse creation tool and what they're calling the first end-to-end Metaverse mapping solution for consumers and brands alike. New features of the app included with the launch are augmented reality mapping, localization, and easy drag and drop of AR content, including navigation and the ability to view 3D models in a user's created map. And this full release actually follows the successful beta testing launch, which was all the way back in February. And I'm actually pretty stoked that we're finally getting some news about ARitize Maps, because I feel like it's definitely been a while with this one. And I honestly think this looks like one of NexTech's coolest products. So it's currently available on the iOS Apple Store, as well as the Google Play Store. And it's completely free as well, which is a nice touch, as I think leaving your apps ungated, especially when you're a newer and less established company like NexTech, is always a good idea. So let's get into some of the details about the actual app. Through this app, anyone can spatially map their location within minutes and populate it with interactive 3D objects, AR navigation, audio, text, images, basically any kind of standard media or asset that you can think of. And another nice touch here is that NexTech will already be providing a number of created and preloaded 3D objects. And in upcoming releases, creators will be able to upload their own object files to create their own 3D objects to populate their own vision of the metaverse. And of course, there will be a feature in this app so users can publish and share their creations for others to experience while in the location. And another reason that I think this app is eventually going to be huge doesn't lie in the fact that it just sounds like fun, but it also has to do with just how many use cases an app like this can be applied to. In a way, ARitize Maps has an unlimited number of use cases for augmenting physical spaces. Think about things like art galleries, universities, trade shows, events, retail stores, shopping centers, office buildings, transport, public spaces, sports stadiums, museums, restaurants, rental properties, homes. I think you get the idea. The list just goes on. And get this. More recently, NexTech actually teamed up with the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, or MIT, for the XR Hackathon Reality Hack, where ARitize Maps was used as the main metaverse platform. And all this hackathon is a 48-hour event where groups of teams will have a chance to create an XR project, XR meaning AR or VR software project, to interact with distinguished guests from within the tech community. So it's essentially a competition between developers and software engineers to see who can create the best app, where winners get to take home prize money. And like I mentioned, the MIT event organizers use NexTech's ARitize Maps for their participants, providing engaging event information, immersive event updates, and indoor augmented reality wayfinding, allowing participants to navigate their way around the event itself. And in addition, hackers got access to the ARitize Maps platform, where they were able to actually use ARitize Maps as the base for their software project. And this is possible because, like most of NexTech's other products, they're offering an SDK as part of the ARitize Maps app. And an SDK just stands for Software Development Kit, which is essentially a combination of an API and software interface that allows developers to gain access to NexTech's technology and use it in a way to build any kind of app they want. And interestingly enough, a team that used ARitize Maps received the silver prize at the hackathon. So bottom line is, the applications are endless and applicable to all industries when it comes to ARitize Maps. In fact, this app opens NexTech's 3D and AR technology to entirely brand new markets, both for personal and professional use, and provides a potentially large additional revenue stream to the company. And ARitize Maps is only the first component of the company's planned Metaverse Experience Builder platform, which combines the mobile application with a web-based creator portal where anyone can create Metaverse experiences ranging from wayfinding all the way to exclusive branding. So overall, I think this is extremely exciting news, and I'll be continuing to follow up on them in the future to see what other kind of offerings they're able to come up with and how this company evolves over time. And I'd like to wrap up the video here, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments as usual, and I'll catch you next time.